In this video, I'm going to teach you about the for loop. So the for loop, it's pretty much an alternative of event tick. Okay, if you want, suppose after a certain number of amount, you want this process should be stopped without using any tick logic or any boolean logic. At that point, the for each loop, for loop is helpful to you. Okay, so at here you can see couple of input and couple of output, which is first index, last index, typical execution, and output execution, complete, and index. So the first index, it's more like if you give something, suppose like you want to process the value of 10 to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, it's going to give you all the 10 data with including the 0 number position because you are marking it here. But if you want, like, no, I don't want the execution number of 0, which is typically basically increase your loop 1 data. At that point, you can basically use the 1 to get the accurate data. Okay, or otherwise you can keep the 10. You can first index 0, and this one you have to calculate always -1, which is give you the typical output. Okay, the execution actually, because it's going to be processed it. So if I give you the value with the 10, connect with the print string, the number of index. Now compile, click. You can see I'm getting the value from 0 to 10. But if I don't want it, I can get it from 1. And boom, I have now 1 to 10 data. And yeah, every function have this kind of like a looping function always have a complete data or execution. So you can basically use like a complete thing, like whenever your process is done, now you are able to see the done function, okay, or the execution code. So I guess that is enough for today. There's nothing more in a loop or a for loop. Okay, it's more like the use cases that we are going to be used. So thanks so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.